Hello my friends, today I want to share my newest project, a modern point-of-sale terminal designed for petrol stations. This terminal is connected to my PSS emulator and I will use this setup to demonstrate its basic functions. You can see the PSS emulator in the bottom left corner of the screen. It partially covers fueling point number 3. But that's not an issue since I won't be using that particular fueling point in this short presentation. Each fueling point is displayed with its main status along with flags indicating sub-statuses represented by small icons below the main status for easy understanding by users. We have 4 fueling points and currently all of them are in the idle state, which means they are not authorized for fuel. Now I will authorize the first fueling point with a simple authorization. You see I done it. Then I will use advanced authorization for the second fueling point. I select the allowed grade and I select the volume preset value of 1.5. So it is authorized also. Now I started dispensing on both of them, and the dispensing on the second fueling point will stop automatically at the value of volume 1.5, and it happens right now. And because the first one is authorized with simple authorization, you must replace nozzle to get transaction done. So for the second one, when you replace, you get a transaction, but that transaction is automatically locked and put into the bill because it remembers what terminal did the authorization for that kind of authorization. Now I added some articles with barcode reader. I will try to sell it, but I cannot. I'm not logged in. I enter the PIN. I am now logged in. I can pay it, for example, with cash, and I'm paying with cash, and it is done. Pumps are now, fueling points are in the state of idle again, waiting for authorization. And after each transaction, what I read all totals from the pump and from the dumps for the fueling point in the question, so I can monitor it later in the back office program.